Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna bring you the peaches and cream, and it actually requires fresh peach and a little bit more fresh ingredients than the original recipe. So let's get started, you guys. Today we're actually gonna need our bullet, split it apart, or if you guys want, you could use your blender, but I'm gonna use my bullet. So we're gonna need 1/4 of a peach, a good sized peach, not just any peach out there will do. Good sized peach. 1/4 of that, followed up by 1 ounce of cream of cocoa. Prefer vanilla. Don't get the chocolate one because it's gonna make the drink look all funky. But yeah, 1 ounce. Follow it up by peach liqueur. You could use peach knobs, but again, you guys are trying to elevate this drink, not keep it basic. So 1 ounce of peach brandy. 1 ounce, bam, right there. Then you're gonna follow it up by 1/4 of a lemon. You're not gonna wanna make your drink that bitter, so just 1/4 of a lemon. Squeeze all that juice in there, bam. Now you're gonna need a little bit of ice cream. The original recipe does require you guys to use 1/2 and 1/2 or heavy cream, but I love ice cream, so bam. Straight from freaking fries. Get your spoon. Get like about 2 scoops of this right here. So there's 1 scoop, followed by another one. Ooh, that's nice and thick. If I didn't have diabetes or my freaking blood sugar level wasn't high before this, trust me, it will be after this. So 2 scoops of that. Oh, cherries down, pick them up, boom. Throw it in the blender. There you guys go. Smell it. Guys, those fresh peaches smell terrific. Has different smell and everything. Look at that. Ooh, it's like yogurt. It's like peach yogurt. Put it right there. Close it back up. Now it's time for the garnish. And you guys, I did slice this peach. You know, took a little bit of a minute. Took a little bit of fighting back and forth. I'm gonna throw it on here. Close it up. Throw your cherry right on top. Close it up. Get a little bit of freaking canela. Last time I went a little bit too heavy on the canela. Sprinkle some on top, make it look nice and cute. Just like that. Eat the rest, why not? Get some thyme. You might be running out of time in your life, so get a couple of these in there. Just for a garnish on the side. Make sure that cherry doesn't drown all the way down. There you have it, guys. The peaches and cream. Remember, guys, to like, comment, and subscribe. If there's any other drink, bro, man. Okay, guys, that drink is good. Tastes like yogurt, but there's a liquor in there. It'll creep up on you, trust me. But, all right, again, if you like what you see, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if there's any drink you guys want me to create out there for you. I can create whatever. And if I don't know how to make it, trust me, I'll learn. I'll definitely learn. This is Alejandro from Alejandro The Mixologist, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Got my thyme, got my peaches, got my cherry, got my sipping. Ah, gotta go.